Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Claude Code in Cursor. First, you need to search for Claude Code in your browser. You have all of these results and you are going to enter to this page of Claude.com. It says use Claude Code in VS Code. It doesn't matter, you just need to enter to this page. Here you have all of the information, and next to the prerequisites section, you have the install the extension. So you are going to click on install for Cursor, and the Cursor application or the Cursor extension marketplace is gonna open. You just need to click on install and you just need to wait. And once this is done, you are going to click on the top right, the toggle agents, and you have this section. You are going to the more options on the three dots, and you have the Claude Code open. You are going to click on it, and you have this section here. To use this agent of Claude Code in Cursor, obviously also in Visual Studio Code, you need a subscription. In this case, it will be you using your Claude Pro, your Claude Team, or your Enterprise subscription. And on the same way, you have the option to pay for an API usage through your console account on Anthropic console. And well, that's it.